Mae'r cyllid yma gan adnodd wedi bod yn holl bwysig. Mae wedi newid y ffordd ni wedi gweithredu yma yn y llyfrgell.
So Adnodd set up the Innovation and Collaboration Fund to allow projects to create resources that work for the curriculum for Wales. What makes this fund so special and different to the other commissioning rounds that we have at Adnodd is that we gave small pots of money to 10 projects to work in a really innovative and creative way.
Ni wedi cael hyblygrwydd i feddwl yn greadigol ac i beidio phoeni am dargedau yn syth bin. O hynny'n braf iawn achos oeddech chi'n gallu datblygu syniadau heb unrhyw bwysau.
Fi'n teimlo bod y gronfa arloesi a chydweithio yn bwysig ofnadwy mwyn i bobl annibynnol fel fi gael llais allan yna. Mae hefyd yn helpu greu adnoddau ddwyieithog o ansawdd, sef be mae ysgolion ni a be mae ymarferwyr ni wir yn haeddu gael.
What's unique about it is to give artists and people time, and I feel like one of the most precious and important things that we have is time, especially as artists, to just explore.
It allows every single child, for my project in particular, no matter what their background is, to experience the art in a way that is accessible to them.
It gives me a chance to support migrant children to embrace their cultures, their identities, and have more sense of belonging to Wales as well.
The really exciting thing about this fund is the different types of projects that have come out of it. Adnodd's focus areas of well-being, equity and anti-racism and literacy run throughout each of these projects.
Dwi wedi bod yn gweithio efo'r gronfa arloesi a'r prosiect i ddatblygu sgiliau llythrennedd emosiynol ar gyfer plant ieuengaf yn ysgolion. Dwi wedi bod yn athrawes ers bron 20 mlynedd erbyn hyn a dwi'n teimlo bod yna ddiffyg yn yr adnoddau sydd allan yna i ddatblygu llythrennedd emosiynol yn plant ieuengaf.
So dyn ni wedi bod yn datblygu dihangfan neu escape room gyda athrawon sydd yn arbenigwyr ar lythrennedd. A dyn ni'n gobeithio bydd hyn yn ysgogi plant i wneud tasgau llythrennedd heb yn nhw'n sylwi a cyflwyno tasgau llythrennedd mewn ffordd eitha cyffroes hefyd.
So the project is taking my poetry collection, which is that one right there, Miracles, and creating a children's wellbeing app. The sole focus of the app is that how do we support children's well-being, but how do we support it in a way that tackles all three of Adnodd's priorities. So if I can do that through an app, it just means that it can reach so many more people than just me going into schools like 24/7.
So my project is called Cyd Chwarae Co-Create. It's a dance and drama project that currently goes into primary schools. Sometimes the Welsh language doesn't come as easy to everybody, so it's a way for them to use the Welsh language in a very fun way, helping the children be as creative as they can possibly be and giving them the space to just be themselves.
I co-produced a literacy app and animation film. I believe migrant children, when they say their heritage languages taught and celebrated in the classrooms, they will feel more proud, hopefully less incident of racism, bring that understanding in the wider community as well.
We're so excited at Adnodd to see the outcome of these projects, but we know we've only just scratched the surface. There are so many more innovative projects out there. We really want to bring those projects to life.